Whoa!
Hi, you want to hear bar?
That's right, you're watching Kit Explores, and Miles and I are exploring a cool place. Where are we, Miles?
I'll be.
At the beach? It looks kind of like the beach, doesn't it? But we are actually at the sand dunes. The sand dunes is a place that's kind of like a desert. It doesn't rain here very much, and not much grows here because there's nothing but sand. We brought some sand toys today, didn't we? Let's show the kids at home your sand toys. We brought a shovel, and what do you have?
Bucket.
A bucket. And we are gonna go up on top of one of these sand dunes, dig some sand, and show you kids some of the fun things that people do on the sand dunes. Let's go. Yeah, sand's getting into my shoes too. It's part of the fun. Woohoo! I'm getting sand in my shoes. Whoa, you're climbing so good. The sand dunes are so hard to climb. It's such an adventure. Whoa! We made it to the top, and look, there's kids riding four-wheelers. The sand dunes are such a fun place to ride motorcycles and four-wheelers. Look at all of them, Miles. What do you think of those? Enjoying a day at the sand dunes can be quite the adventure. There's lots to do, and four-wheeling is one of the most fun activities you can do on the sand dunes. But be careful because it can be dangerous. That's why when you're riding a four-wheeler, you should always wear a helmet and always keep a flag on the back of your vehicle so other people on four-wheelers can see where you are. Four-wheeling all day out in the sun and out in nature is a lot of fun. Did you notice that those four-wheelers have little flags on their backs? That's so the other four-wheelers and motorcyclers can see where everybody is, so that everybody can stay nice and safe. The sand dunes are so hard to climb up because the sand slips while you're crawling up them. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm not getting any further. Whew, I made it up. Also, do you see these designs in the sand? That's from the wind blowing the sand, and it makes these lines. Whoa, it's really noisy here because of the four-wheelers. You want to see one other thing that's fun about the sand dunes? One other fun thing about the sand dunes is the sand is so soft and so slippery that you can go down it really, really fast. Do you want to see? Watch how fun this is. Whoa! Wow! Now I'll try to come up one more time as fast as I can. Oh, I made it. Should we build a little sand castle? Let's fill up your bucket. Here's your shovel. Ooh, the sand is so soft. We're gonna pack the sand down into this bucket and see if it makes a sand castle. Are you ready, Miles?
Yeah, yeah.
Put it right there? Okay, just like that. Will you help me pull it off? Let's pull it up and see if we have a sandcastle. Pull it up. Oh no! The sand's not wet enough to make a sandcastle. Even though there's a lot of sand at the sand dunes, the best place to make castles out of sand is at the beach. The moisture from the water makes the sand stick together, which makes it great for building. Speaking of sand castles on the beach, let's sing the sandcastle song. Are you ready? Sand castles, fun sand castles, built out of sand when the sun's outside. Sand castles, crumbly sand castles, build sand castles every shape and size. Sand castles are so much fun, built for fun in the hot summer sun. Dig, dig, dig the sand out of the ground, build it up, 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 till the sun goes down. Sand castles, fun sand castles, built out of sand when the sun's outside. Sand castles, crumbly sand castles, wash them away with the ocean tide. They wash away with the ocean tide. Wash them away with the ocean tide. Sandcastles, they don't last long. Our sandcastles are all gone, 'cause when the water comes up, it clears off the shore. All those castles that we built, they're not there anymore. So pick up your shovel, it's time to build some more. Sand castles, fun sand castles, built out of sand when the sun's outside. So dig, dig, dig the sand out of the ground, build it up, 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 till the sun goes down. Okay, here we go. Come help me lift it. Whoa! We got a sand castle. What should we do with the sand castle? Should we smash it? Do what? Put a hat on it? We're gonna fill in this hole so no four-wheelers or motorcycles run into it. Do you wanna help me, Miles? Do you wanna fill that hole in? Let's fill it full of sand. Good job. Now that's nice and safe. And we got a cool sand castle out of it, huh? What should we do with our sand castle? Make some more sand castles. Miles and I are gonna make some more sand castles and probably, maybe, go four-wheeling and ride some motorcycles on the sand dunes. I hope all you kids at home and all you parents at home are having a fun, safe spring break. Miles, can you say goodbye to everybody? Goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. Parents, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, tell your parent friends about the channel, and also follow us on social media at Instagram and Twitter. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching Kid Explores. Bye.
Whoa!
Whoa! What did you do? No! The sand castle. No! Miles, no! You're breaking my sand castle. Oh, my sand castle. Let's make some more sand castles.